Okay, so today I thought I'd talk about a game I played on my Meta Quest 3 recently, and that's the game you're seeing B-roll footage for in the background right now. It's a fighting game. It's called Final Fury. It's a fighting game in VR. It's like a classic fighting game style, but it's in VR. It's actually a very fun game. It's basically a workout game. Yeah. I can see because if you watch the video I did of it on my other channel where I actually do play a bunch of games, including VR games and not so VR games and everything in between. Well, the thing is, you'll see that it is an interesting game, okay? Because of the simple fact that I did get a workout. I got a workout the very first time because the moves, you actually have to move your hands, but it's not like a game I covered in the past where you only use your hands. This particular game, you have the controllers, the Quest controllers, the Meta Quest controllers you have on each hand, and then you actually use them to actually do the moves. Like there's a move that required your arm to be at the bottom and then come up. And then the move that is like reminiscent of like a Kamehameha wave type thing. Yeah, I don't think you'll have to do the whole ha thing, but kind of when you put it to the side, it kind of seems a lot like that. So I actually did like that quite a bit. And then that just regular, like, punch forward and then shoot beams type thing. Yes, shoot beams because you can do a far away thing. And it's not like that you'll have to get all up close and personal. Although you could, in theory, do that as well. But it also has, since it uses the controllers, you can use the controller thumbsticks to go forward and backwards, so you don't have to worry about even having to move much IOL if you're in like a tight space and you can't move a lot, which I enjoy quite a bit. Actually, one of the biggest reasons I wanted to talk about this game is because I don't know, I'm always looking for a fun type workout style game. Like I play a lot of synth riders and yeah, I'm always looking for a fun workout style game. A game that's interactive and in the back of your mind, you know that you're working out, but it's fun type thing too. And I believe that's the best thing. Well, for me personally, I feel like that's the best application of VR as far as health wise, the fitness aspect of it. But I don't want it to be just fitness because I've mentioned it in the past, but I like the fitness games where it doesn't really feel like a chore. It feels like you're playing a game. It feels like you're having fun playing a game. It doesn't feel like, oh, I'm doing 20 push ups every day, no matter what, indefinitely. If you do 20 push ups or more every day, more power to you. That was just an example because I do remember in grade school, back when I was a wee little vamp. Vamp is what I go by online. Anyway, doesn't matter. Back in the day, I remember that I used to, the gym teacher in grade school would always say, okay, do 20 push-ups, then run in place and whatnot. And yeah, like warm-up exercises type stuff before the actual activity came. Which were dodgeball most of the time, because dodgeball was one of the easy, like, oh, if there's nothing else planned, let's do dodgeball type thing. Which, I'll be honest, I wasn't too bad at dodgeball. Well, because, okay, so I won on a technicality one time because of the fact that they threw the ball, right? Well, I caught it between, the lower legs, like not, like just above the shoes and stuff, like the shin, I believe it called, the lower leg area. Well, I caught the ball between my lower legs. So the the opposing team was out because technically I caught the ball. Yeah, so yeah, that was actually pretty fun. That was pretty fun. But anyway, I digress. I think this is, and it's reminiscent of, I'm sure you'll see it in the gameplay, that reminiscent of the classics fighting games, like Mortal Kombat, like the original 2D style Mortal Kombat on the N64, Mortal Kombat trilogy. And then, you'll have the original Street Fighter, and then just other fighting games. Actually, you know what? This reminds me quite a bit of Bloody Roar. I don't know if you guys have ever played that game, but I think it was on the PS2, I might say. Maybe PS1. But yeah, anyway, it was a fun game because it was the very first time you had like this 3D arena type thing for a fighting game, or like the first time I ever saw fighting games in like a 3D type arena. And this is essentially a 3D type arena. Oh, and blocking. You can block in this game. You literally just put your, arms up like this and you do a block. And they have it so you can't just block the whole time. There's a block break too. It's actually very fun. I will leave links below to it if the gameplay or what I said have interest to you at all. But yeah, it's a very fun game. It's a very fun game. I had a lot more fun than I initially thought to begin with. And I was playing it in early access, which, yes, means this footage that you guys saw during the whole video is early access footage, okay? Which is essentially the same as non-early access footage, except for the fact that certain things are going to get ironed out and whatnot. Basically, what you guys are seeing is probably the worst the game will ever look, meaning that it's going to get better as time goes on. Okay, yeah, I believe it's going to get better as time goes on. Now, you guys only saw the single player, but there is technically a versus mode as well. But I really didn't have anyone to play it with, and I just wanted to, show off the gameplay, controls, and all that. Like I said on my other channel, Vamp Plays, I have all the stuff there and whatnot where I actually am talking to you guys as I'm playing it and with what I'm doing and going over all that details and stuff, my first impressions and everything. So if you want to check that out, feel free to. And yeah, with that said, I hope this has helped you either make a decision whether or not you want a game, or at the very least inform you guys that there's a fighting game, which in VR, like a classic fighting game, which it honestly does look cool. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.